Jidusha, do, highway. I drive on the highway. Dijusha do o hashiremasu. Shingoki traffic signal. Stop at the traffic signal. Shingoki de tomemasu. Yoshiki sign. I read the sign. Yoshiki o yomemasu. Fumikiri railroad crossing. I cross the railroad crossing. Fumikiri o watarimasu. Shasen lane. I drive in my lane. Shasen de hashiremasu. Kuku airport. I arrive at the airport. Kuku ni tsukimasu. Hikuki airplane. I take an airplane. Hikuki ni norimasu. Bean flight. When flight is delayed. Watashi no bin ga okoremasu. Toju boarding. Boarding starts soon. Toju ga sugu hajimarimasu. Shupatsu departure. The departure is at 3 p.m. Shupatsu wa gogo sanji desu. Tauchaku arrival. The arrival is late. Tauchaku ga oko remasu. Joukyaku passenger. The passengers are waiting. Joukyaku wa mate imasu. Pasupu to passport. Show your passport. Pasupu to o misete kudasai. Visa. I need a visa. Visa ga hitsuyu desu. Tenimotsu baggage. My baggage is heavy. Tenimotsu wa omoi desu. Judaku tenimotsu. Check baggage. I check in my baggage. Jutaku tenimotsu o azukemasu. Tenimotsu kensa luggage check. I passed luggage check. Tenimotsu kensa o ukemasu. Hoan kensa security check. Go through security. Hoan kensa o ukate kudasai. Zeikan customs. I go through customs. Zeikan o torimasu. Shukoku exit immigration. I exit through immigration. Shukoku shimasu. Nyukoku entry immigration. I enter the country. Nyukoku shimasu. Taojouken boarding pass. I show my boarding pass. Taojouken o misemasu. Geto gate. The gate is closed. Geto wa shimate imasu. Noriba platform or boarding area. The bus platform is here. Basu no noriba wa koko desu. Katamichi one way. I want a one-way ticket. Katamichi kipu ga hoshi desu. Ofuku round trip. I buy a round trip ticket. Ofuku kipu o kaimasu. Yoyaku reservation. I make a reservation. Yoyaku o shimasu. Kakunin confirmation. I confirm the reservation. Yoyaku o kakunin shimasu. Cancero cancel. I cancel the reservation. Yoyaku o cancel shimasu. Hotero hotel. I stay at a hotel. Hotero ni tomarimasu.